Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're diving into a world of rich, sweet, and irresistible indulgence. Here are the top 20 most delicious chocolate desserts from around the globe. Every bite is pure joy. Let's get unwrapping. Chocolate lava cake. A decadent dessert with a rich outer cake and a warm, gooey chocolate center that flows out when cut. Best served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Chocolate mousse. A silky and airy dessert made from whipped cream or egg whites mixed with melted chocolate. It's smooth, light, and melts in your mouth. Brownies, fudgy, or cakey, these dense chocolate squares are a favorite worldwide. Packed with cocoa or chunks of chocolate, they're perfect as a snack or dessert. Chocolate truffles, rich ganache balls rolled in cocoa powder, nuts, or sprinkles. Their soft texture and intense flavor make them a luxurious treat. Chocolate eclairs. A French pastry filled with chocolate cream or custard and topped with glossy chocolate icing. The choux pastry adds a light crunch. Sachertorte, an Austrian classic. This chocolate cake is layered with apricot jam and coated in a dark chocolate glaze. Elegant and rich. Chocolate chip cookies. These chewy or crispy cookies are loaded with chocolate chips. A timeless comfort food, perfect with a glass of milk. Chocolate ice cream, creamy and cold, this frozen treat delivers pure cocoa flavor. Variations include dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and even spicy Mexican chocolate. Chocolate fondue. Melted chocolate served in a pot for dipping fruits, marshmallows, or pastries. A social dessert and fun centerpiece. Chocolate pudding. A thick, creamy dessert made from cocoa, sugar, milk, and cornstarch. Sometimes topped with whipped cream or shaved chocolate. Chocolate torte, a rich, dense cake often flourless and layered with ganache or fruit. Deeply chocolatey and luxurious. Chocolate macarons. Delicate French sandwich cookies made with almond flour, filled with chocolate ganache. Crisp outside, chewy inside. Chocolate fudge. Smooth and sweet squares of concentrated chocolate and sugar. Sometimes enhanced with nuts or swirls of caramel. Chocolate souffle, a light, airy baked dessert that rises dramatically in the oven. Soft inside with a slightly crisp top. Chocolate babka, a braided bread swirled with chocolate filling. Moist, fluffy, and perfect for breakfast or dessert. Chocolate cheesecake. Creamy cheesecake infused with chocolate, either swirled or fully cocoa-based. Rich, smooth, and indulgent. Chocolate cake. Pops. Moist chocolate cake crumbled and mixed with frosting, shaped into balls, and dipped in chocolate coating. Chocolate pancakes. Fluffy pancakes made with cocoa powder and chocolate chips, served for breakfast or dessert with syrup or whipped cream. Chocolate tiramisu, a variation of the Italian classic, using layers of chocolate-soaked ladyfingers and chocolate mascarpone cream. Chocolate bark, thin sheets of melted chocolate topped with nuts, dried fruits, and candies. Snappable and customizable. Whether you're a fan of gooey centers, crisp toppings, or creamy layers, chocolate has something magical for everyone. Which dessert is your all-time favorite? Or is there one you haven't tried yet? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe to Top Num Up for more delicious countdowns.